Today on Tightline Nation, we will show you how to restore a float that isn't in the greatest of shape. Here's the float that has some holes in it after I sanded it. So the cracks that you saw, I filled them in once and I put the sanding dust from doing the floats. I collect them in a bag and I put the wood dust in the glue and I put it in the holes of the float. Now what happens is the holes in the float are from when I stick this dowel through. If I'm not completely center, they'll come out the sides and it makes the thing look all crappy, but fish don't care. So all I do is I glue the holes and I put sawdust in there, let it dry, and what I'll do is I'll sand it down. And I'll show you what it looks like after it's sanded down. So here's what I'm dealing with the holes in the float. I glue the cracks. Then I take a toothpick and I will work the glue into the crevices of the holes. As you can see, it's hard to videotape and show you, but you get the idea. Once you have glued your cracks in, grab your sawdust, press it in, and get all that sawdust worked into that glue. See the bag that I collected from the sanding? And pretty much that's what you look like. I'm just using Elmer's glue, working it in, sawdust, put the glue on top, work the sawdust in, and eventually I will sand it back down to what a regular float would look like. When the glue has set and it is all dry, usually the next day or so, I take it down and I will sand it back down to, like I said before, what a regular float would look like. It may not be perfect, but like I said, the fish don't care. Alright, here we go. Focus, focus. Here's the one that had all the holes in it. And you can see some little dimples in there, but who cares? Fish don't care. Point is, it's a usable float. Now, I'm going to paint it. And we'll see what it looks like when it comes. Not too shabby, I think. Then we are going to hydro dip the float. So after you hydro dip, paint the top as you like. I put a little Tightline Nation TLN on the side. I put the orange cap, put a black line, yellow line, and that is my restoration float from a float that had holes in it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to seal the float or epoxy it. Thanks for watching, Tightline Nation.